The overall goal of the following experiment is to permanently weaken fear responding by targeting the process of memory reconsolidation. This is achieved by artificially installing fear in humans through differential Pavlovian conditioning. As a second step, the fear memory is retrieved, which triggers destabilization of the memory. Next, 40 milligrams of propranolol is administered in order to disrupt the process of memory reconsolidation. The results show a permanent reduction of fear based on the startle fear responding. The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like fear extinction, is that fear is permanently reduced. The following study should be performed in a sound-attenuated room attached to a separate room for the experimenter. After delivering instructions and gaining consent, obtain blood pressure and heart rate measurements following standard protocols. To begin, attach the double-sided adhesive collars to the EMG electrodes. Use an alcohol swab to clean the participant's skin below one eye and on the forehead. Instruct the participant to keep their eyes closed to avoid potential irritation. Next, fill the center of the EMG electrodes with highly conductive electrolyte gel using a syringe. Avoid introducing air bubbles within the gel that may negatively affect recordings. Attach one of the electrodes below the lower eyelid of the eye in line with the pupil in a forward gaze. Attach the second one